The reason I went on is because when you watch the news in the UK, BBC News, Sky News, it's like being gaslit on a monumental scale. And I felt like it was important to go on there to say the truth of what is happening and expose these people for what they are. They're getting away with murder. And that's why it was important to do that, and for someone to just say what everyone is thinking and feeling already, because people are so angry when they come out here with these lies. That's what they're saying in the encampments, that's what they're saying at the protests. And it was necessary to just cut through the hypocrisy that is constantly spewed out by all of these politicians. Palestine has become a lightning rod for all of the accumulated anger that young people and workers have towards the establishment. And it's becoming so apparent to people that this is no longer a question of just individual politicians, but it's about what they represent, which is a whole system, the capitalist system, which is putting profit above everything else.